Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record an audio track with effects. Most of you guys may not do this on regular basis, but I know some of the guitarists that I've worked with wanted to record the guitar track with the effects, and I realized that it's one of the most important technique that you all should know. So I'm going to share with you guys on how to record the audio track with the effects on it. Okay, if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends and family. And also please check out my Spotify page as well. There's a lot of great music there. Please go and listen to the songs, save the track, and share with your friends and family as well. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right in. Sometimes you may want to record an audio track with effects on it. So if I record something now with these effects as insert in the audio channel, it will not record the effects together with the audio. It will still record the audio dry. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go to Studio, Audio Connection. Okay, when you go to Audio Connection, you will see these window here. Okay, go to Inputs tab and click on Add Bus, and now you can select whether you want a mono or a stereo bus. I'm going to choose mono, and I'm going to name this bus to Wet Vox. Okay, once you have added this channel, you have to make sure that the input is selected to the right the mic channel. My mic is currently plugged into input number 2 on my audio interface, so I'm going to select input 2. Okay, now when we go to audio track here, we can go and select the Wet Vox. Let's create another input channel, and now I'm going to have Dry Vox, and I'm going to set this input to 2 as well. Okay, now where is this input channels? Okay, now you may not be able to find it here, but when you press F3, open your mix console, you can see the input channel. So this is the input channels, Wet and Dry Vox. So both of these channels is assigned to the same input, which is input number 2. That's why you can able to see the meter fluctuating while I'm talking, because the mic is turned on. And since this audio track is already set to the Wet Vox input, so whatever we record now will have the effects recorded together with the track. So let me rename the track. So I'm going to add effects to this input channel here. Let's start with auto tune, and let's add some delay as well. Now let's add some distortion. Try and make this high, and let's add some reverb as well. So now I've already added effects to this input channel, and I'm gonna go and record something in my booth.
Welcome to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Welcome to my channel, make sure to subscribe.
Welcome to my channel, make sure to subscribe. So that's how to record an audio track with the effects on, right? If you guys find some value in this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.